Do you guys understand how ridiculous this model actually is? DeepSeek V4 Flash. Look at the pricing of this model, by the way. It's $0.14, so 14 cents per million input tokens and 28 cents per million output tokens. This is one of the most reasonably priced models on the market. So this is obviously a very popular model. This has 281,000 downloads this month alone, which is absolutely crazy. Now, obviously, it's a big model, so you're not going to be able to run it on kind of standard hardware, but you can run it through OpenRouter. And today I'm going to show you just how effective this model actually is for its price point, and it's pretty damn good. So I just want to show you something, guys. This is OpenCode running this new Flash model. First of all, look how fast it is. I've spent 20 cents right now. I've used up this amount of the tokens, and that's 11% of the total context. But this is real. This is a real backend coding example, which nobody does, by the way, on YouTube. So basically what I've done is I've created a full auth. It's not running, so just give me a sec. I've created a full auth here using Supabase, right? So it's just doing some changes on the colors and things right now. It seems like there's no sign out. Oh no, there is. So you can see get started up here. So that's, I'm just gonna click that. So we'll just do a kind of fake email just to show you guys here with a password. Okay, so I need to sign up first. There we go. And then I get automatically logged into the dashboard. This for 20 cents is crazy, okay? It's really, really interesting stuff, guys. This is fully connected to my Supabase, right? So that's how it's actually, making these changes. I'm just trying it with some front end stuff right now, but just overall, this seems like a very, very impressive model in terms of bang for your buck, right? So DeepSeek V4 Flash is not only incredibly fast, like some of these token throughputs are crazy, like it's really, really fast. It also, honestly, is better than a lot of other models. Now, apparently what they've done is, this is just what I'm hearing, they've made it way more efficient for it to run this amount of compute, right? Because they don't have a lot of compute over there, apparently, anyway. So yeah, for it to be number 17 in programming already, very, very interesting. This is a very, very popular model. I'm going to guess it's being used by all kinds of AI agents and things like that. Okay, so this is very interesting. So top 11% of models. That's very, very interesting. Code categories, top 16%. This is their Flash model, guys. So yeah, it's being used in Hermes. I thought it might be. Hermes and OpenClaw. One thing that's missing is I don't think this is multimodal. So that's definitely interesting. I wish it was multimodal. But like apart from that, honestly, it seems like such a strong model for a Flash model. This reminds me of when Google first released, what is it called? Gemini 3 Flash. What is the pricing point on this? So it's actually cheaper than Gemini 3 Flash. So that is very interesting. It's 3 times cheaper on input tokens and 10 times cheaper on output tokens. Really interesting. What about Haiku 4.5? I am actually waiting for Haiku 4.7 from Anthropic. It's kind of what I really, really want them to come out with right now, but it doesn't seem like they are. Instead, I'm going to be using a lot of DeepSeek V4 Flash in the coming months because I really, really like Flash models. I've talked about this many, many times. It's got a million context window. It's stupid cheap. It's stupid fast. It works on OpenCode. It works on CC Router as well, so you can use it inside Claude Code Router as well if you want to. Let's just see how it looks for front-end design, and then I'm going to continue probably... Oh, that is not bad. Wow. That is seriously not bad for a Flash model, guys. What the hell? So this is not only front end, it's also back end, right? I actually... Oh, so also do the dashboard in the same style. Like I can just keep adding to this as well. That's the craziest thing. This is super easy to set up. The prompt here was 3 lines, right? It was, you have access to the Supabase CLI. I'm logged into the Supabase CLI. Make me a front end and a back end auth system using Supabase for a SEO blog writing project, right? That was literally the prompt. And I mean, I'm impressed, I have to say. This front end is very, that hero is really powerful and strong. You can tell that they've been getting the output from Claude Opus, which is apparently what happened, which is very interesting. You know, I'm down though, honestly, because we can't let Anthropic just be a complete monopoly on this stuff, because they will abuse that 100%. Just as maybe a point of reference, this is what Opus 4.7 came up with for Harbor. Obviously, this is a slightly different project, but like I really like what DeepSeek V4 Flash has come out with here. Like literally in 15 minutes and for very, very low cost, so 23 cents, I've got the bare bones of an entire project here, right? One thing that does keep happening is it keeps stopping my server, but that's okay. Okay, so this is what it's done for the dashboard, right? Really, really nice, I have to say. Honestly, guys, this is seeming like my new favorite model that's not Opus, right? And I'm not saying this is like Opus level, obviously, but for the amount of coding power, it made so few mistakes in creating this. It got a little bit stuck on the, sign in, sign out thing. I mean, that's pretty normal. It's not that easy for it to code that stuff. I didn't give it any skills either, so I'd like to redo this test with skills. So let's just try doing the actual writing part of this. So I'm going to actually get DeepSeek V4 Flash to power DeepSeek V4 Flash here. So I'm just going to grab this and just copy this and say, now make the blog writing element. The user gives a website plus a keyword, use scrape plus web search using OpenRouter web search. Look it up if you how, and then generate a blog, things you find. Right, I'm just gonna give it, it's a fairly broad prompt. Wait, I will set an OpenRouter key. So yeah, look how fast this thing is, guys. It's actually kind of insane how fast this is. This is why I love these models, Flash models. I really, really like Flash models for this reason. I want you to only use DeepSeek Flash. I mean, look at this thinking, honestly. This is super, super interesting. Wow. Let me use Cheerio for HTML parsing. Sure. Okay. So this is what people actually want to see, in my opinion. They don't want to see front-end stuff only. People will honestly would rather see back-end stuff, or I would anyway. Like it even has the foresight to change this button and things like that. This is not very common with cheap models, and especially not cheap Chinese models. So in my opinion, this does start to feel like a step forward for kind of open source. I'm hoping that people can learn from DeepSeek because, I mean, as we know, DeepSeek is very, very transparent, like massively transparent. And they wrote a paper on how they did this. Yeah, I'm not the right person to go through this. There's loads of videos on YouTube, but they've written detailed papers on how they managed to do this. It's something to do with the efficiency of the models, but it's very, very exciting stuff. And if people can learn from this, like Kimi, for example, can come along and do what DeepSeek have done, but maybe slightly better in a way, because if you compare Kimi to DeepSeek, I would say Kimi 2.6 is better than older DeepSeek models. So I'm hoping that this is the start of something new for open source. Okay, so let's just do a quick run here. Okay, so it's running. Wow. Very, very interesting stuff that you can even get close to here. So it said failed to connect here. Okay, so it looks like it might actually be running here. I didn't change anything then. It was just OpenCode was still making changes. I mean, this is insane. I don't think you guys understand like how impossible this was with these models until very, very recently. To get anywhere close to this, you'd be struggling for hours and hours and hours to be able to do this on a Chinese open source Flash model, which costs nothing to run, is absurd, honestly. Okay, so it's finished. It's written it. Yeah, I'm not seeing images, but this does look like it's got some information. Yeah, look, offers a bespoke kit on sneaker service. This needs some changing around, to get some images and stuff like that. But I mean, this is crazy. To even get to this point is crazy. Yeah, look, it's actually got pricing here. So Kitton's black cashmere sneakers. I wonder if this does actually have links in. It's just not showing up. Let's just have a quick look. My theory might be right here. Let's see. No, there's no links. Okay, but still, it got real information from the website, right? So that's the first step. All we need is a way to now get images, and we've created an entire SaaS project using only DeepSeek v4 Flash. I think this is my new favorite model, guys, to play around with. I'm going to be making probably quite a few more videos about this. Hopefully they won't go ahead and nerf this model, because this does seem really, really nice and really, really strong. It looks like it did forget to like seed the database with the blog posts that are generated, but that's just a very, very small change. So yeah, we have a full sign in, sign out with literally the most simple prompt you've ever seen. It was literally just, you've got access to the Supabase CLI, create me an Auth project on Astro where I can sign in and sign out. That is done. It's done a fantastic job with the front end, I have to say. Really, really nice job with the front end. Back end as well, it managed to do that too, which is crazy, guys. Okay, guys, so I think I'm going to leave the video there. Just before I finish, quick shout out to HarborSEO.ai, my actual blog writing SaaS. Go and check it out, guys. I'll leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment. I see that impressions and clicks are growing every single day. The amount of pages that we've published are going up every single day. For 29 euros a month, you get 25 articles. You will not find a better SEO tool on the market for that price, guys. You get a free trial, which gives you full access to the tool for a few days, so you can decide whether or not you like it. And if you don't, you can cancel the trial. There is a link in the description and in the pinned comment. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. And holy crap, things are about to get exciting with open source being able to produce something so amazing. I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.